Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy bag or purse. And it's a very easy method for making a bag. You're just going to crochet a strip that's sort of like a scarf, like this. And here I've just done black, pink, black, blue, black, dark blue, black, pink, black. And then you fold it in half and either slip stitch or sew the two sides. And then you just pass a cord through the top. So let's get started. So you can use any size yarn and any size hook. I'm going to use worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. And you're going to crochet a chain that is twice as long as you would like your purse to be. Okay, like that. And your chain is going to be twice the length that you want your purse. And now you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and in each stitch all the way across your chain. All the way across the chain. Okay, I worked all the way across the chain. At the end of the row, chain one and turn. Single crochet all the way across the row, but you're only going to work in the back side of the stitch. So single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. Like that, all the way across the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. And if you're going to make your purse in various colors, you're just going to pick up the yarn of a new color and turn. Chain one. And now again, working in the back side of the stitch only, like that. Single crochet in each stitch all the way down the row, like that. And then you're going to continue to do that until you have your purse as wide as you would like it to be. And then fold it in half, sew down the two sides, and then weave a cord through the top about an inch down, and that could either be t-shirt yarn or a thick crochet chain. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet these simple bags. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.